Hey everyone, it's Charlene here, and today I'm going to do my BoxyCharm unboxing for January of 2021. Yes, the first box of this year. We'll go ahead and get right into this. I already opened it, and the theme this month is right here. It is BoxyCharm Fresh Start. We all need a fresh start this year. And I got variation. It doesn't really say anymore. It says C21010004/BA. So I don't know why they've been doing that. Last month was the exact same thing. So go ahead and open this. First thing, this thing right here. What is this? It is by Qveen or Qveen Dragon Duo. Let me see what this is. Yeah, Qveen. Okay, so this is a eyeliner. Yeah, so these are eyeliners, and it comes with two different ones. Let me see if they're both the same. This one looks like it's fatter than this one. Okay, so this is like a crown. Go ahead and... I actually like these for doing like a smoky eye because you can smudge it on your eyelid. And it says they're semi-waterproof, so they're not exactly waterproof. They're semi-waterproof. So that looks like a great line. But it looks like it's also bleeding in the cracks. So I'll have to try this out. I don't like eyeliners that do that like kind of bleed out when you put a mark, because it doesn't look good. But I'll try it out. This retails for $28. That's really expensive. I mean, it is two eyeliners, but you can get stuff at the drugstore way cheaper than that. I don't know why I put it back in the box. I always do that. Okay, next thing that's in the box. There's something big, but it's not allowing me to get it just yet, so let's go ahead and get this. This is Apple Baume Glow Lip Mask. I think that's how you say that. What's the brand? Serphine. Okay, so it's a lip mask. This retails for $25. Ooh. Let me see. So it's sealed. I'm going to go ahead and open it because I could use a lip mask. I can't smell right now, so I can't tell you how it smells. Ooh, that looks really nice. I don't know what it tastes like or smells like, but I'm pretty sure it probably smells and tastes good because it says it smells like it's supposed to be apple. So I don't know. I'll keep you updated on this, but it feels really, really good on the lips. It's like super hydrating. And like I said, that retails for $25. And the next thing that is in the eyes, put it back in the box. And I'm telling you, I do it every time. Okay, next thing in the box is this right here. And this is Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I love tinted moisturizers. Anything. I wish that's one thing I do wish they would have more, like foundations and stuff in the boxes. Okay, I'm just going to put this right here. So it is quite sheer. I wonder how it looks on the skin. It does kind of look like really youthful looking, but I don't know. It doesn't really cover much. So this is just like really sheer. But this is something that I would wear like on a day-to-day basis. Did I say basic? Basis? I'm so sorry. This retails for $35, which, I mean, it's a really good brand, Pure. I love their makeup. They usually never disappoint me. I'm just not really big on, like, tinted moisturizers to wear as, like, a foundation just because it gives no coverage whatsoever. But it's also really good to wear under foundation. It says it's a 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. Because it has sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation, which that would be a very sheer coverage if you were to use it as a foundation. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box, let me go ahead and grab this one since it's huge. And it was like weighing, this box weighed so heavy because of this. Okay, so this is a Deep Sweep 2% PHA Pore Cleaner Toner. And it's by Farmacy. Their things are usually really, really good. I really like this brand. If I could open it, would be nice. Okay. So what does this look like? Oops. Ooh, this is a big bottle. That's why it's so heavy. It's because it's glass. I can't smell it, so I don't know what it smells like, but it looks like a nice toner. I will be trying this out tonight. And this retails for $28, which is expensive, but their products are usually kind of up there, but they work. Okay, the last thing that's in the box is this right here, and this is Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. I love Violet Voss's palettes. They go on really, really pretty. They're very pigmented. One of their palettes is one of my favorites. I haven't used it in forever just because I forget because I got so much makeup. This retails for $34, which the other one was like 70 something dollars. This is a beautiful palette. Oh my goodness. Yes, this is everything I want inside of a palette. How gorgeous is that? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few of these shades. Olive Me. Really pretty. Wishful. This is a really pretty transition shade. It's like a really pretty... Oh, that is so stunning. I'm going to go to... let's go ahead and do this gray. It's really pretty. Put that right above there. That is so pretty. Let's go to Endless. They're just so rich. Look at that. That is so pretty. Infinity. I'm going to go ahead and try that one. That's just like a black. Really pretty. Yes, that is such a pretty palette. $34. This would be worth $34. Those are really, really pretty shades. I mean, look at that. Very pigmented. And I still have more on my fingers. They're just like super rich. And it would just keep giving. Look at that. Same with these. They're just really pretty. So pretty. Yes. Super happy. So the total value of this month's box was $150 even, which is really good. I mean, I paid $25 for the box, got $150 worth of products. That's amazing. I love that they included skincare, also some lip treatment. I think my favorite thing out of this whole box is the eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to use this. I am Portuguese, so I have an olive skin tone, they say. It's like a yellow undertone, or olivey. So these kind of colors look really good on my skin, so I will be trying these out. I'm sorry that I haven't really been uploading the videos of me trying this stuff out. I just haven't been feeling good here lately, but hopefully I will get back on that and get back on my game, because I really need to start doing that for you guys. I apologize if there's anything that I did not review in my past boxes and you've been wanting to see. Just comment down below and I'll try to get on that. But yes, I am very happy with the first box this year. Very, very pleased. But that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. That being said, that completes this video. Bye. God bless.